Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Modesty33 here, aka Crystal with a C, back at you with another video. If you're new to my channel, you just happen to click on, welcome. I try to put out 1 to 2 videos a week. I do sit downs, reviews, reactions, vlogs. So if any of that interests you, make sure you check out the prior videos on my channel. And if you see anything you like before you leave, make sure you subscribe. So today, you guys, I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing of a variety of items that I purchased in the past 3 weeks, month, something like that. So it's gonna be luxury as well as high-end as well as just miscellaneous. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna leave the luxury for the end of the video. So if that's the only thing you're interested in, guys, just fast forward. It's okay. I do the same thing. I'm not gonna be mad at you. I would appreciate, I do appreciate the support, the views, all the things. So definitely stick around. You might see something else you're interested in outside of the luxury. So the first thing I want to talk about though is from the brand Lush. Lush sells like a lot of body butters, cosmetics, bath bombs, all kind of things that are like vegan and very fresh ingredients. My best friend got me on Lush, so sometimes I will really be into Lush, be into like a lot of the products, and sometimes I just kind of take a step back. It can be very expensive when you get into a lot of their items, so you do have to buy with caution because it can definitely be something very expensive. I'm going to show you an example of something I bought earlier from Lush. So all of their items come in these like recyclable containers. This is like a body butter here, one of my favorites from, and it's the fragrance Sleepy. And it is a body butter, and it is like a lavender base. This one is almost gone. You kind of see that. This is like a 3.1 ounce container. This was probably like $15, something like that. So yeah, it's kind of up there. It's not your regular tube of body butter or lotion, but I really like this. I do carry this in my bag depending on what handbag that I'm carrying. So today I carried out my Chanel Paris Salzburg mountain backpack in the size large. I do have a review on this bag if you're interested, so definitely check that out on the channel. I have a 3-year review, wear and tear, and all the things. So this is the bag I did carry out today. You see it kind of matches. I'm wearing this like dress. Have this little cardigan over, and so yeah, that was the vibe we had today. And the lipstick, the darker lipstick, it is fall now, so this is Rouge H from Hermes. So yeah, I did carry this in my bag today. So I do want to show you some items I recently purchased from Lush. So I'm just gonna kind of show you in the container here, because there was like a new product. I don't know if it's new, maybe it's been pre-existing, but it's new to me, so I did want to share that. So first though, I did have some body butters that I did purchase. I find that Lush works really well. It definitely as something to moisturize my hands. Now for the rest of my body, I can use pretty much anything and it's fine, but specifically for my hands, they do have a tendency to get drier than the rest of my body. So I do use like more specialized like body butters and thicker creams for my hands because that works better for me. So the first one that I bought here that I tried out some time ago and I really liked was this Lime Bounty. And it's described as a beautiful buttery lotion with a gorgeous delicate scent, which I don't know, you can describe that as pretty much anything, but this is what it looks like here. It has a lot of coconut oil pieces on top, which I don't like actually. But what happened with the last one, I did use all the last one that I purchased, and what actually happened, which is why I purchased this again, was I accidentally left this in my car and it melted all the way down, including the coconut pieces that I don't like. And so that's why I bought this again, because even though I don't like the coconut pieces, I can put it in the microwave and then put it back in the refrigerator and it will be in a butter form again and all these little pieces will be gone. It's just that they're really big. You probably can't see, but they're really kind of big coconut pieces. And if they're like more small and shredded, that would be fine. But these and I know the lady told me, oh, you can scoop them out, but they're like so big where if you scoop these out, you're gonna scoop some of the product out, which again, I don't like because the product is expensive. This is like 3.5 ounces. This was probably like $14 or $15. So like I said, you could buy 3 or 4 of these and you just spend $100. So you gotta be careful when you get in the store. This is another one I purchased here, another body butter, and it is the Charity Pot. It is 1.5 ounces. Now the cool thing about the Charity Pot line, it comes in different sizes and all, but these are, I think 100% of the proceeds from these sales go to charity. So on each of these, it tells you what charity is going to be helped by your purchase. So with this one, I can't pronounce it, but essentially it's going to be providing training materials on workplace health and safety to workers in Dhaka, Bangladesh. So it gives you like a little picture here as well as the website to kind of check it out and see. So I think that's really, really cool. So I did purchase this one. I think this probably retailed for like $9 or $10, something like that. And then the really cool thing that's in here, well, first of all, let me show you this. I did get a free sample with my purchase because they are going to be releasing this body butter during the holidays, and it's called Snow Fairy. This is 0.3 ounces, so very small, so really nice travel size. So Snow Fairy, again, is going to be a holiday fragrance. I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't like it. Like, I'm gonna use it because it was free and it's a body butter, but I do not like the way this smells at all. I would not purchase this, but maybe it'll sell out during the holidays. You see, like, it's a pink. It reminds me of a Pepto-Bismol. Like, I think the color is perfect on this. It reminds me of Pepto-Bismol, the way it smells. Like, this is not a good fragrance to me. But like I said, I have 2 of these because I went to Lush twice. I'm gonna use it because it was free, you know, and Lush stuff, like I said, it can get up there, it can get expensive. So I have some of these containers that are free that they give you. You can put like your body butters in here and then make them more travel friendly. But I have these for another purpose as well. Let me show you the last thing in here from Lush, which is this right here. And this is really, really cool. I didn't know that they had these. But these are also from Charity Pot Collection. So these are also body butters, but they're called Charity Pot coins. And so they're the same as the body butter here, but without the addition of water, is what the guy told me. So that's what kind of makes these, they're like they're a solid form of the body butter. But essentially you just put them in your hands and you use your body heat to warm them up. And it works the same way as the body butter, and you can moisturize your hands that way. I just thought this was really cool. These retail for $2.50 a piece. You can put these put them in these little containers here and carry them with you, and they're mobile. But if you do leave them out in the heat, they will melt down. So essentially they can turn into a body butter. But yeah, I just thought these were really cool. I bought 4 of them. Yeah, so again, they're like $2.50 a piece, and they last a pretty long time. I used another one that I purchased a little bit before I purchased these 4, and that one lasted quite a while. So yeah, I think these are good value for money, and yeah, like, it makes them a bit more portable, especially if you're afraid of carrying something like this and, like, you know, it leaking in your bag. So it's good to have like the solid form. So I thought that was really cool. So purchase those, and they do give you these little containers if you ask for them for free. So that's pretty cool. Next thing, we're gonna talk about Tory Burch. I'm just gonna show you this. I was gonna do it with the bag, but guys, it's a pair of shoes. I mean, let's just keep it 100. So I think I have the box upside down. I'm gonna show you the shoes, and we'll talk about my sentiments about Tory Burch. So a lot of people love Tory Burch. They know Tory Burch. They do have sell handbags. I think they sell clothing and stuff as well. So a very iconic brand on like high end, I would say. So not quite luxury, but definitely like high end. A lot of people mix like their Tory Burch pieces with a lot of their luxury pieces. So pretty cool. And so this is the box that they come in. These are shoes, like I said. And these were gifted to me by my mother. So I do want to put that out there as well. And let me show you the shoes. I've already worn these, so it's not like a true unboxing. So this is what the shoes look like. Let me pull them out so you guys can see them. So I know when my mother recently came to visit, she bought a pair of these shoes with her. I think this part right here was black, like a black patent. And she told me they were super, super comfortable. So I don't really mess with Tory Burch, and I'm gonna tell you why. It has nothing to do with them not being luxury or whatever, high end. Like, it doesn't matter to me. If I like something, I like it. Originally, my mother told me about Tory Burch, and I had seen a lot of people wearing these type of shoes, and I thought they were really cute and cool. There is a Tory Burch in the Galleria Mall, so we went there last year when they came to visit. And then I ended up buying a pair of shoes. I've unboxed them on the channel before. They were essentially like a pair of sandals. They were like $250. Guys, number one, I don't really mess with Tory Burch because the customer service was highly lacking at the time that I went in. You know, went in, asked the girl to try on a pair of shoes. She never came back, so I had to hunt down somebody else, and he got the pair of shoes for me, and I was able to try them on, and then I was like, okay, yeah, I think I'll buy these. And then it took them 20 minutes. I don't know, it took them a long period of time before they checked me out. And it just really left a bad taste in my mouth because I kind of felt like they were treating me that way because they didn't think I was actually going to buy anything, which I did buy the shoes. And the shoes were kind of cheap at that when I like start wearing them. Like, I am a very hard walker, like I'm hard on my shoes. So those sandals really, I mean, I still wear them. They're still, you know, they're still wearable. But like the bottom sole doesn't have a lot of support. I need support when I walk. So my mother did, when she came, she did tell me about these shoes that she bought from Tory Burch that she really liked. They provided a lot of support and they were super comfortable. Now these shoes are called the Miller Cloud Mirror Metallic Calf Leather Cork. So you see the metallic right here. And it's like a silver metallic here, and then this bottom portion is a cork. But you see how thick the sole is. It's very thick and supported for your feet. You see the bottom here. I've worn these out a few times and it's still very clean on the bottom. And kind of show you the top. But yeah, I wore these, and you can kind of see my little toe prints here. But yeah, I wore these the second day after buying them. Like, you know, after the day after wearing, my mother purchased them for me. I unboxed them, I wore them out, and they were super comfortable. So they're very comfortable out of the box. These are size 10, so that's typically what I am in shoes. And these, I don't remember what exactly they retail for. I want to say like maybe 150, something like that. But these were really, really comfortable, and I really like these exponentially more than the other shoes. If I have a picture of the other shoes, I will insert them here. They're not even really worth talking about though. They're just like really, when I tell you, they just left a bad taste in my mouth. And maybe that's why I don't really like the shoe, because of the experience. I know a lot of people talk about luxury brands and they say, oh, you know, mostly Chanel as far as bad customer service experiences. I've personally never had a bad experience at Chanel that I can recall. Nothing that was significant enough for me to remember and to deter me from shopping there. Like, the only thing that deters me from Chanel are the prices, but the customer service doesn't deter me from shopping there. I've never had a really bad experience at Louis Vuitton, or definitely not, like, I'm trying to think. I haven't had a bad customer service experience at Louis Vuitton, not Chanel, definitely not Fendi. Fendi has really great customer service. So yeah, but like Tory Burch was a little bit beside themselves. Like, I don't know if they were really busy that day, but they were attending to other customers. I'm very observative, so I do watch. So I don't know what the deal was that day. That's the only thing I could figure out, because they just thought I wasn't gonna buy anything, and I did. And it was like, for me, a waste of money, because those shoes were super cheap. They're like stained at the bottom now, and yeah, they're like I said, they're not really worth having a full discussion about. But I really like those. So they kind of recovered me from that purchase, which again, they were gifted by my mother, but I did try them on. The lady did attend to us in the store, so that was cool. So that's all I really want to say about the Tory Burch. Last but not least, let's talk about my unboxing from Louis Vuitton. Guys, there's nothing on my wish list from Louis Vuitton. This was more so a sporadic purchase, and went into Louis Vuitton on a Saturday and a Sunday, I believe. So on the Saturday that my mother and I went into Louis Vuitton, essentially I went to take my Neverfull in for repair. My Neverfull GM, the straps on there, like the glazing is coming off. And so like whenever I would wear that bag, like pieces of the glazing and of the glue would get on my clothes. So yeah, I've been meaning to take it to Louis Vuitton for repair. It's been sitting in my closet since December. And so when my mother came, I finally decided I was going to go ahead and take it and see what the repair cost would be. So as of now, they told me that repair cost is $0, which if it stays that way, that would be really cool. Yeah, they looked at it, and I purchased that Neverfull secondhand from eBay, a seller on eBay, back in 2016, and the bag is from 2014. So yeah, like if they repair it for free, yeah, the bag is like 8 years old, guys. So I think that's, say what you want about Louis Vuitton and the quality, but at least they will, you know, rectify, and I don't know, my experience has been that anyway, that they will rectify it, and you know, they will do the appropriate repairs if something is faulty. So they did say it might take up to 30 weeks for my Neverfull to come back. I wouldn't use in the bag anyway, so that's fine for me. So we'll see when it comes back if there actually is a charge, but they did give me a receipt that said no charge, so we'll see. So that Saturday went in Louis Vuitton, took my Neverfull. Then on Sunday went into Louis Vuitton again with my mother. She wanted to look at some belts. Right next to the belts, I saw something I really liked. And like I said, it was kind of an impulse purchase because there's literally nothing on my wish list from Louis Vuitton. Yeah, I'm kind of like waiting on something from Hermes, not a Birkin or a Kelly, so nothing that exciting. But I am on a wish list for something through Hermes. So that's really the only thing as far as a wish list that I have, you know, in progress at the moment in time, at this moment in time. So let me show you guys. I have the bag here. It's not actually inside the bag because I filmed this before. So I want to show you guys, yeah, right here. This is what I purchased. So maybe you guys will know from the box what it is. So it's actually not in here, but oh, it is in here. Never mind. So this is it right here. And again, it's not a true unboxing. I wore these today, and I worn them a few other times. I absolutely love and adore these. So is a pair of sunglasses, you guys. So yeah, I happened to see these sunglasses next to the Louis Vuitton belts that my mother was looking at. I fell in love with these sunglasses. I love them. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Sunglasses were not on my wish list, but I absolutely love these. So I'll show you the front here. You see they are like a bigger frame. I am gonna put them on so you guys can see. On the front here, they have like the little fleur-de-lis on both sides. And then on the side, you see like the little LVs here. Little monogram in gold, which I really like. So, you know, it's something you can tell, but it's still kind of subtle. Then also on the tips here, yeah, it does have like a little fleur-de-lis, little flower. I don't know if that's a fleur-de-lis. I'm calling everything a fleur-de-lis, but I'm trying to be cute and things, but I don't really know what it is. But it's like the little flower here. You're not gonna be able to see that because I can't focus on my phone. But it's like a little gold tip here on the edge, and it's like a little flower. So, and it has that on, same thing on both sides. So really like that. Just fell in love with these. So let me put these on for you guys. So yeah, these are like more of a cat eye, which I feel like really complements my face. I just really love these, you guys. And so I kept thinking about them while we were in the store, and I just finally told the guy, like, yeah, let me get those glasses. So yeah, I purchased these. I contemplated returning them within the first week because I was like, what did I buy sunglasses for? I don't wear sunglasses enough. Then I ended up, you know, getting like another order of contact lenses from an eye doctor. And so, yeah, we will be wearing these quite a bit because, yes, I do have new contacts, my yearly prescription of contacts. So, yeah, we will be wearing these out as much as possible to get my money's worth. So, it did come in like this little box right here as well. This little blue box, and you see it's got the Louis Vuitton right here. So, yeah. And then it has, you know, the little dust bag here that you can also use to clean them. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Just wanted to kind of show the unboxing of these few little items. So I do hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you share it with anyone else who likes these type of unboxings. Before you leave, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. You do that by hitting the red button below and the bell next to it so you're notified when I do upload future videos. Again, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.